Hi friends, Amanda from Does Life, and one of the ways that I save my family a lot of money is by making my own laundry soap. I've been making this laundry soap for years and I absolutely love it. I've posted it several times on my Facebook and different places, and so I thought that I would just do a quick video to show you how easy it is to make it, and you know, if you wanted to make it too, then you could. Okay, so let's go over all the items that you're going to need. Okay, so these are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Now, this is different than baking soda. This is super washing soda, and you can find it in the laundry aisle or the cleaning supply aisle usually. Also, that many times they're right next to each other, is the Borax, and you can also find this in the laundry and cleaning aisle. The next thing you're going to need is a Zote, or you can use Fels-Naptha bar. I've even heard people use ivory, and I have used the ivory. I don't think that the ivory cleans as well as the Zote or the Fels-Naptha bar, but it makes more of like a laundry soap for like children's clothing items and delicates and things like that, but that is definitely something that you can use. I started out using Fels-Naptha, absolutely love it, and the only reason I'm using Zote this time is because it is pink, and so it will make my laundry soap pink, so no difference. You're going to need a 5-gallon bucket. You're going to need some kind of cheese grater, a saucepan, and you're going to need a whole bunch of, I'm going to need more than that, that's just what I brought up for right now, but you're going to need a whole bunch of empty laundry soap jugs. Now, like I said, this saves my family a ton of money. Laundry soap, good laundry soap can be $10 a bottle, and if you're doing a load a day, you know, that's $120 a year, and you can make all of your own laundry soap for a fraction of the cost. Really, when you buy the boxes of washing soda and borax, they're gonna last you forever because you're only using a cup to 2 cups of them. And the Fels-Naptha and the Zote that you buy, it will take the whole bar for one batch. Now, remind you that one batch can make like 10 jugs of laundry soap. So, you know, it's 96 cents or $1 around there. So yeah, it's super cheap. So this is going to be costing you pennies. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is shred your laundry bar into a saucepan. Okay, I will tell you that that does take a little bit of time, but once you're done, this is what you're going to be left with. Okay, so now we are going to add 4 cups of hot water and melt this all down. Okay, now we have it on like a medium heat, and we are just going to, basically we're just going to cook this until it is completely melted. You're going to want to keep stirring this until it is just nice and melted, because you don't want it to start sticking to your pan. Hi guys, so now we're actually in my guest bathroom, which is the bathroom on the first floor. So that's why we're here. So sorry if there's a weird echo. But anyway, this is the way I found that is easiest to make the laundry soap. If you try to make it in the kitchen, then you're having to lift the 5-gallon bucket, and I did it one time, and let's just say afterwards I had really clean floors because yeah, soap is everywhere. But anyway, it's the easiest to do in the bathtub, so let's get started. Okay, so you're gonna take your, so you're gonna take your melted soap and pour it into your 5-gallon bucket. This is hot, so be careful. Okay, now you're going to take 1 cup of your Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Add that to your mixture. And you're going to take 1/2 cup of your borax. You're going to stir this up, and then you're going to add hot water and keep stirring. Okay, so once you have it all dissolved and filled up with your hot water, you're going to want to cover it and let it sit overnight. And then it's going to kind of gel up and be really thick. And then we'll be on for the next step. Okay, so now it's the next day, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to stir up your liquid. It's going to be really thick and gel-like. If it's not thick and gel-like, then something went wrong. It should be really thick and jelly, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then you're going to take your jugs, and you're going to want to have a funnel. And now the original recipe calls for half laundry soap and half water. So you're going to fill up your jug halfway with the laundry soap mixture and then fill it up the rest of the way with water. And so essentially you'll get 10 gallons of laundry soap with this recipe. Now, that being said, I like mine a little bit stronger, and so I don't get quite 10 gallons, probably 7 or 8. And so, you know, that just depends on how you like it and things like that. And so, anyway, you're going to get, it's still going to be a ton of laundry soap for just Pennies. Okay, you can kind of see the laundry soap here, and as you can see, like, I can touch it, like it's kind of just about solid. And so that's what you're kind of looking for. Now I'm going to break through this, and then I'm going to stir it up. And I usually use a pretty big stick. Okay, once you have it kind of stirred up, then you're just going to want to fill up your bottles. Now once you have it all filled, I always put the lid on real tight and then shake it to make sure that it gets all dissolved in there. And then you're going to want to shake it before each use also, because it will start to separate and thicken up. So you'll want to shake it before each use.